Hey Modern Fragrance community, today I'm going to be doing a quick overview on the Valspice aroma chemical. Valspice, 4-methyl-Guaiacol or Creosol, is one of the main compounds in Creosote, with tones of vanilla, deep fruit, and leather. Creosote is what gives smoked food that iconic smell and taste that many of us can't get enough of. The smell of Valspice is described as a sweet, spicy campfire smoke aroma. It's extracted naturally from green vanilla bean, wood tar, or wood creosote. It's also used in the synthesis of vanillin. Remember those smoked brisket ends you had in Tofino, BC? Or those hickory smoked vegetables that you cooked up to impress your date? Or even that roasted coffee you had this morning? You can thank this aroma chemical for giving those moments a lasting impression. I haven't unlocked all of this scent's secrets or layers quite yet. I look forward to smelling this over the next few weeks, training my nose to smell what's hiding behind the smoke. You can use things like perfumer's alcohol and dipropylene glycol to dilute this aroma chemical. There was no suggested usage level given to me by my supplier for this chemical, but another source shows that there's an IFRA restricted usage level of 0.01% of your total concentration. Be sure to read your SDS or MSDS information before handling any aroma chemicals. You can find them on your source's website. Important MSDS notes include, but are not limited to, a flash point of 99 degrees Celsius or 210 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's classified as an HMIS Category 2 health hazard, meaning it's moderately harmful in contact with the skin and inhalation. That's about everything that I have to say about yet another amazing aroma chemical. If you're looking to add a little more character to your vanilla, coffee, or bacon accords, look no further. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.